Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce data entry errors with Airtable, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Airtable application on your device. Create a new base to work on by selecting Start from Scratch or using a template. Name your base appropriately for easy identification. Once your base is created, access the table view by clicking on the Table tab. Begin by defining the fields needed for your data entry. Choose the correct field type for each column to ensure data accuracy. Use single-line text for short entries and long text for detailed descriptions. Select the checkbox field for true/false responses to minimize entry errors. Choose the date field for dates to avoid formatting issues. Next, implement the drop-down select field for predefined options. This will limit user input to valid choices, reducing errors from typos. Consider using linked records to create relationships between tables. This further minimizes the chances of data being incorrectly entered. After setting up your fields, create a form view for data entry. Forms provide a user-friendly interface that guides users through inputs. Make sure to set required fields to prevent incomplete entries. Add instructions or placeholders to help users understand what data is needed. Test your form by filling it out yourself to uncover potential issues. Once confirmed, share the form link with your data input team. Monitor the entries you receive and regularly check for consistency. Use Airtable's filtering and sorting features to spot anomalies quickly. For ongoing accuracy, integrate validation rules where possible. Encourage feedback from your team about the data entry process. This ensures continuous improvement over time. Regularly review your setup to adapt to any new data needs. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce data entry errors in Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.